This is the Mackay Building. It houses the Material and Textile Engineering Laboratory. An additional laboratory is located in Eldoret Town, where we also have our textile factory known as Rivertex East Africa Limited. The site remains convenient because students get an opportunity to extend their practical research in an actual factory setting. The two Material and Textile Engineering laboratories have been equipped to facilitate teaching and research in polymers, ceramics, composites, and textile structures. Equipment such as water bath, Raman spectroscope, spectrophotometer, color matching cabinet, light fastness tester, perspiration fastness tester, rubbing fastness tester, compression molding machine, universal tensile testing machine, high-resolution digital microscope, particle size analyzer, oven, spectrophotometer, freezers, optical microscopes, sample dyeing machine, digitally controlled oven, high-performance computer, oil bath, high-temperature furnace, tensile testing machine, differential thermal analyzer, compression testing machine, material cutting machine, and HR microscope are largely used. The Material and Textile Engineering laboratories also feature other equipment for cross-cutting research. These include plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition, used for thin film development and studies. Fourier transform infrared spectroscope, used in the studies of functional groups in compounds and molecules such as dye molecules. Ultraviolet visible spectrometer, used for quantitative analysis of compounds such as concentration of chromophores in a dye solution. Atomic absorption spectroscope, used for characterizing chemical composition of various materials. Liquid chromatography mass spectrometer, used in studies involving isolation and identification of compounds and elucidation of molecular weights. 3D printing machine, used for research involving 3D structures printed on different substrates. Hot pressing machine and pilot dyeing machine that are normally used when investigating transfer of dye molecules on textile substrates. These are used together with sample washing machines, sample drying machines, and digital pH meters. Several equipment are available for studying fiber fineness, yarn evenness, yarn strength, abrasion resistance, bursting strength of materials, crease recovery properties of fabrics, draping, and flexural properties of materials.